How to fix blurry ring camera video. So something similar to this. This is usually caused by a dirty lens, condensation, something like that, weak Wi-Fi, low upload speed, and these similar to those. Those are usually the only reasons. So the first thing you can do is to clean the camera lens. So you can gently wipe the lens using a dry microfiber cloth or anything similar. So we have this over here, clean the lens and whatnot. Of course, not the phone, but the lens itself. If you have other kinds of cameras, you do the same to it. Now it's overlaid, but like that, just clean the cameras of the cameras. Another thing you can do is to check the Wi-Fi signal in device health. So this is done in the app. Go ahead to the app camera. So choose the device that's having this problem. Go to the triple dot button and find the device health. So inside device health, here you can take a look at the signal strength. So if the ring says 0 to -60, that is great. If it's -70 to -80, that's poor, and -80 or worse is very poor. So in this case, what you're gonna have to do is to improve the connection. So you can move your router closer, or you can use a mesh system, something like that, and those kinds of similar things. Just try fixing your connection if the signal trend is the one having the problem. You can also go and try rebooting the ring camera. So still in device health, you can go and scroll down until you find this, which is reboot this device. You can go ahead and press on that, then press on reboot this device again, and then press on OK. And finally, you can check for lens damage. So if the video is still blurry after cleaning or even improving your connection or even rebooting, you can go ahead to your specific camera and take a look at the lens to see if there are any cracks or if it's scratched or anything like that. And at that point, you're gonna have to try contacting ring support to maybe consider getting a replacement. But those are a few things you can put in mind if you're having a blurry ring camera video. So hopefully this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.